This is a message to send you a bunch of love in such uncertain times. Remind yourself this will end. Stay positive and keep spreading love.
I just want to give you a quick reminder in these times, that just ask yourself the question, what is great about this? Because there's always things to be grateful for. We have our families and you have people around you that support you. So lots of love.
Remember one thing, you are gold. Everybody knows the value of gold, but not everybody knows what gold had to go through to shine like gold. Gold had to go through fire and be refined. That's what we're going through right now. That's what you're going through, and you're going to come out of it stronger, looking like gold. Come on.
Hello everyone, just a quick message in this tough time. Just want to give out my love and strength to everyone who is going through a tough period right now. Keep your head up, and we know that we will come out the other side a lot stronger than we came in. Keep your head up and keep strong.
Show me someone who's done something worthwhile, and I'll show you someone who's overcome adversity. This is just a quick message to say stay strong, use this time effectively, and we're always here to support you.
Remember, no negativity around this time. Be a positive influence on yourself and on others, and make sure that we lift each other up to come out of this very, very strong.
Just wanted to say a quick message, because I know we can't affect the physical sides of this crisis, but we can control the mental sides. So if we stay positive, stick together, we will get through this.
Hey guys, it's Dimitri from Investment Mastery. I want to wish all of our clients love, blessing and health. This will pass. Keep positive, keep your morale up. Let's go.
Smile. Let everybody know that you're a lot stronger today than you were yesterday, and that tomorrow you will be a lot stronger than you are today.
I know this isn't easy, but it will end, and when it does, we will be stronger because of it.
I think you're awesome, and I know you're all going to get through this. What we're going through right now, we're all going to come through it, all stronger individuals.
We are all living through crazy times right now. Just acknowledge whatever feelings you are feeling. Look after yourself. Remember, you will get through this, you will come out of this, and you will be better and stronger for it.
It's okay to feel fear and cry, feel the emotions, let them go. Tap into your heart and really connect to the true person that you are. You are more powerful than your wildest imagination. You have already achieved so many great things in your life. Know that you are loved by us here at Investment Mastery, and we will support you side by side, and we will get through this together.
Just wanted to say that I'm thinking of you. I hope you're extremely safe, and we're all in this boat together. So let's help each other, support each other, be a leader for your family and your community.
Remember that you're not alone, and if you're a client or not, it really doesn't matter. We're here to serve you. Just call us, we're here for you.